In front of me is TECNO Pop 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock. Then select alarm icon at the bottom left corner. And to create a new one, use this plus at the top right one. Following that, set up an hour at the top. Then click on this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing if you wish to use it only once. If you want to use it more than once, select repeat and click on days of the week. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on alarm sound and by tapping on add new at the top, select any song from your device to set it up. You can also just click on one of those sounds instead, like a dragon. When you finished, go back and click on label. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to and hit done. Then select snooze, decide how many minutes it will take, and click on this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. To save it, click on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off or on thanks to this switcher. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it instead. Click on delete at the bottom and choose delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!